Hey guys, happy new year. So I just want to give a huge thank you to all the comments that you guys left on my last video. Thank you so much guys, and for your support on the Fenty Beauty powder foundation, which was the last video I uploaded in the shade 450. So with this tutorial, this is going to be a makeup look for 2021, my first video of the year. Yes, woo! So this is going to be metallic eyes and brown lips. So if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look guys, please stay tuned. And if you like this lovely metallic winged liner that I've added on my eyelids, please let me know in comment below and let me know what other videos you'd like to see on my channel, things that are out of my comfort zone that you want to see. But guys, if you want to see this look like I said, please stay tuned, and I love you all very much. Take care guys, bye, and many more blessings. Mwah. Hey guys, so I'm gonna start by prep and priming my eyelids. So I'm going to be using the 24 Hour Studio Fix Smooth Wear Concealer by MAC Cosmetics. So I'm going to apply that on both of my eyelids now. And to blend everything out, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques Expert Concealer Brush. And I'm just dabbing that in. Okay, so to set my face, I'm going to use this powder by Fenty Beauty in the shade Nutmeg. Now, this is a translucent setting powder, so I'm going to use this to set the concealer on my eyelids. So it's the first time using this actually, because I wasn't too sure if I should get the darker one or this one, but this one looks like it matches my complexion more. So I'm going to go in and use the Nutmeg to set my eyelids. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use is this gorgeous palette here, which is the BPerfect Carnival XL Pro palette. Now, I'm going to go for like a metallic look. So I'm thinking I'm going to start off with like a smoky black eye, using the gel brow pot, that I use for my brows. So I'm going to start off with like a deep brown, but it kind of looks like a black colour. And then I'm going to blend that out, and then I'm going to use this powder, this black shade here called Lights Out. And then I'm going to go with using the shade Peppermint, which is here. And then I'm going to go in using, actually no, I'm going to use Back Chat after the black, and then I'm going to use Peppermint. So I'm going to use a flat brush first of all, just to use this on my eyelids. I'm going to see if this works. And I'm just blending that out. I'm going up and just blending that upwards in an up motion, as you can see. And it's a good thing that it's an angle brush, so it can lift it up as well. So I'm going to go in and do the same using this angle brush on here. Then I'm going to go in and use the black eyeshadow palette. Okay. Oh, kind of like it actually. Kind of gives me like a cat eye. So once again, I'm going to use this black shade called Lights Out, which is here. And I'm going to use this angled brush here. And I think it's from, I think it's B Cosmetics. I got this in Superdrug. So I'm just dabbing that powder in. I'm just letting go of that. I'm just going to pat that in. So I'm literally just playing about with these colours really, just seeing how it comes out. So next up, I'm going to use like an orangey colour just to use as to blend out, to blend the black out. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to use Slow Burn which is this sort of brown here, as you can see. Okay guys, so to set, sorry, not to set, but to help the glitter, apply the glitter on the black eyeshadow, I'm going in using the NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Primer, which is amazing. Like, it works wonders. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm just going to take a little bit and just with a flat angled eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on. Ooh, bit of hair in it. I'm just going to tuck that on just to make sure it's in the middle. So the next colour I'm going to use is Backchat, which is this colour here. And this is gorgeous, like velvety dark blue. I'm just putting this on my eyelids now. And then next up, I'm going to use the peppermint colour, which is this shade here. So let me get another eyeshadow brush. So I use this one. Some on this side, so the same thing I did on this side, I'm going to do on this side, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a bit of my makeup off camera, and then when I come back, I'm going to do the contour, how I set my concealed areas, lashes, and then lips, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I've just done my foundation. I've also used the cream contour in the shade Ebony, which you know is my favourite, by Fenty Beauty. And I've also set underneath my eyes, the concealed areas, using Nutmeg, the same setting powder I used to set my eyelids before I added the eyeshadow. So now I'm going to go in and set my contoured areas while this is setting. And I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami bronzer. And I'm going to take a angled brush like this, which I usually do for all my makeup tutorials. And I'm just going to swipe at this. And I'm just going to take a bit of the excess powder off. I'm just doing that to set all the contoured areas. Okay, so while that's setting, I'm then gonna set the rest of my face using this powder by Fenty Beauty, which is the Soft Matte Powder Foundation. So if you didn't see my last video, I did the review on the Fenty Beauty Powder Foundation in the shade 450. So go and check that out. So I'm gonna apply that to set my foundation areas. And I'm going to use the Raw Techniques setting brush, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to tap it around and just patting it around the areas. Okay, and then to get rid of the excess powder on my nose, where I've contoured and highlighted, and underneath my eyes as well. So I'm just going to swipe that away using the powder, just to give it that lovely finish. That's it. And then now, just to contour my nose, set the contour bits, I'm going in using the Mocha Mami, and I'm going to use this little brush here, this thin brush here. I'm just going to contour just to give it some structure. I don't usually do this, but I'm just trying to get into the hang of like contouring my nose. Okay, I'm just doing it lightly. I don't want it to look too harsh. Okay, so while that's there, what am I going to do next? I think I might go in, actually, let me add this, which is the Cognac matchstick. I'm going to use it on my cheeks, my cheekbones. I'm just going to swipe it along. Okay. And to blend it out, where's the brush? I'm going to use this brush here. That's it. It just gives me a nice glow. Okay, so now that's done, I might go in, where's the rest? Actually, I'm going to set my face now, and then I'm going to add some shadow underneath my eyes. So let me set it now. So now that is set, let me go in using the same blue that I did for the liner. The electric blue, which is in the shade Back Chat, and I'm just going to add that underneath my eyelids. Okay, and then what I might do is use this highlighter, and I'm going to use Moscow Mule. And where is like a little pointed thing? I'm going to use this little small little brush here, and I'm going to put this in the corners of my eye, just to enhance it a bit more. And then for the lipstick, I'm going to use the Kiko Milano Creamy Colour Comfort Lip Liner, and it's a lovely brown, and it's in the number 321. I'm going to use this now. Okay. And then for lipstick, this is an old time lipstick, and it's in the shade Earth. I think I got it from the hair shop, and it's called Vital. But it's this lovely sort of brown colour, like a chocolatey colour. So I'm going to use that on my lips first of all. So to give it that ombre effect, I'm going to go in using the Kiko Milano Instant Colour Matte Lipstick colour in the shade 1, which is this pinky nude. So I'm going to go and do that now. Right in the middle. Okay, that was so pretty. And I'm going to add a bit more. Okay. And then I'm going to go back with some liner. And then I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Hot Chocolate, which I love. I'm going to add that on top. Okay. So guys, I am now going to put the lashes on, and I will give you the finished look.